In this video, I will show you a few optional steps that you can do while making your sandals, but they are not needed to make the sandals functional. They are just like aesthetic. So the first step is making the leather edges smoother with the edge beveler. So if you have been working with leather before, maybe you have it at home, and you can make the edges look smoother. Yeah, you can use it for the lower part and also for the leather strips. Yeah, so now the edges will look a bit smoother. And if you want to, you can do the same with the edges of the leather strips. If you would like to stitch the perimeter of the lower parts, you can do it. First, you will have to mark the 4 millimeters from the edge. And you can do it if you have linker. It's a special tool that makes just a slightly visible line, and you know that in the line you will need to make the holes. But if you don't have the linker, you can use just a ruler and a pencil, make a few marks, 4 or maybe 5 millimeters from the edge, because it will be great if it will be in the middle of the holes for the leather strips. So maybe I will make 5 millimeters. Yeah, and then you can just draw it with your hand to know where it will be. But I will use the linker. I think on the camera it's barely visible, but it makes me a slight line, that it's not very deep. It will be visible just for a while, and I will know where the holes will be. So, and now, I can use various tools. I can mark the holes with the, if you have wing dividers or this fork-like tool. Yeah, the pitch is on you. It can be 5, 6 or 7 millimeters. Yeah, it depends on you. It's just like a decorative. So you can do it with this tool, and then make the holes with 1 millimeter punch and rubber mallet. Or if you have a special multi-tool, you can use also this. I will just show in a while. I will not do all the perimeter right now, but I will just show you yeah, that you don't have to mark the holes. You don't have to mark them, you just punch them easily like this. But this is just a decorative thing, and if you want to have it on your sandals, you can do it. But what is also a bit practical is stitching the first leather strap that is going around the big toe. And I usually don't do it, but sometimes happens that the leather strap widens a bit and it's too loose. For example, after a few months of wearing your sandals, it can come loose. And if you want to prevent it, you can stitch just the first leather strap. I would stitch it here in the middle, So, and I'm not sure if I am in the middle, but I will try. I can measure it, of course, but now I will do it only to show you. So I will mark it again. You can mark it with the pencil and ruler, or if you have the tool. And try to make the holes in the middle. Like this. And when you sew it before gluing the leather straps below the lower part, it will be like more secure and it will be less likely to stretch too much.